today I have a Manitowoc ice maker, and it was given to me by a client of mine because he decided just to get another one because this one stopped working. So I'm going to remove this cover, and I'm going to take the top off, top of the machine. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the screws out of the top cover. Because on the top cover, all electrical is inside the machine. So we're going to remove that. There. Now on top, these are all the different components. This is a motherboard. And basically this particular board here, if you can see, let's see what that looks like. I want to bring it up, okay. So let me just bring it up. We're going to discuss this motherboard. Okay. That's the motherboard. Now this controls everything that happens inside of this particular machine. Now right here you have an on and off switch. One side is on and one side is clean. So you know you want to clean the machine every so often. So it has a clean mode on it. But this is a clean light, your water level light, which is right here. Has like a little pedal down at the bottom, measure the water level, probably going to come up to about right here. And this is what this green light is. The first light, I mentioned, this is when you put it in the clean cycle. This little yellow light. And the next light is your curtain light. Basically, this is your curtain. And on the curtain, there's a magnet right here. What that magnet does, it actually is down in here, and it rests up against there, and you put this in to be flush. And when that magnet light's on, it tells the machine to go ahead and operate. The reason they put this curtain switch here is because when this thing fills up with ice, the curtain's going to open up like that because so much ice, and it's going to stop making ice. Just that this is laying up against the metal plate, and what this is an ice sensing probe. And see how it's touching the plate? So it's not going to never make ice. And the reason why it's touching the plate is because when they cleaned the machine the last time, they see how the gap in there, and you have a gap here. So they didn't install this correctly. I'm going to loosen it up. I'm going to loosen this one up. There we go. Now this, where the water comes in, and it drips down over each one of these plates. So as the water drips down, it starts to form ice. Now basically, you can take this off. Snug on there. And there's an O-ring. That's a little black O-ring right there. And the purpose of that O-ring is not allow water to come back out once this tube is inserted. this up here. Channel. So we want to sit flush. I don't know if you can see that, but let me bring the camera in. Right there. That needs to fit flush. If you put it in, it's like that, it's going to throw that probe off. And that's the condition it was when I found it. So basically I'm going to insert the holes on so this will rest level right there. Take another look inside. See that? It's actually fitting nice and flush up against there. Now we can put the bolts back in. That one's in. Okay, now I'm going to turn the machine on. Replace the drip curtain, and I also adjusted the ice thickness probe. And basically I believe that's all that was wrong with this machine. I don't know. I'm going to turn it on. And you see red, 2 green lights. So what's happening right now, the pump has turned itself on. And basically, it is dumping water out of the machine. You come around here, you can see that water is coming out. And what it does, pumps all the old water out. So new fresh water will come in. Now, I got the machine on and put the gauges on. And as you can see, we got on the high side, it's 221. On the low side, it's about 51. And I'm looking for it to go down, the low side to go down to about 23, 24. It should be making ice as that temperature drops down. And the high side will come down to maybe about 202. Well, we'll see. Each compressor is different. The pressures are different. So we'll see what this one does. But it appears that it does have refrigerant in it, so it should make ice. So we'll see. For about 20 minutes. We're back on. Seeing that this red light is starting to blink. That means that water is touching that ice thickness probe. So now when this becomes solid, after like 30 seconds, it's going to go into harvest. As long as it's blinking, it's going to keep Water's going to keep coming over, but we're starting to get a solid red light right now. So once it stays solid, it's about 30 seconds, I believe, 15 to 30 seconds. It's going to put the machine in a harvest mode. It's going to bring hot gas behind the plate. It's going to allow the ice to fall off. It's starting to get a solid light right now. For another cycle. Now it appears that the light is staying on. Up, went out again. It's blinking. It's going solid again. So let's count. Well, let's try counting now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. So it looked like it took about 7 seconds after the light went into harvest. Stop blinking, so that means that the ice is ready. So we're going to see right now. Valve in there is going to switch. Allow hot gas to come across this plate, and the plate's going to drop the ice. So we'll bring a close up to it so you can see. Cover back on so you can see the lights. That's a clean light. That's a water probe light. That's your curtain. Now we're going to see if the ice is going to fall. Now you got hot gases from behind. Get a little bit more light inside so you can actually see exactly what's going to happen. Okay? Look, you can see water dripping from that plate at the bottom. It's still in harvest. The red light is still on. You can see that the pressures have changed. 90 on the low side and 160 on the high side. So should be bringing just enough heat back there to drop this ice off this plate. Just give it a few more minutes. I want you to see the ice fall. There it's about to come. See the curtains opening. There we go. Now the ice fell. If you notice that the little red light has went out, and the only light that you have on right now is the curtain light. It's the only light that's on right now. And if I move that curtain, you'll see that light will go out. So now it's going to start a new cycle all over again. Water is going to come in. She's going to start making ice again. So this machine is fixed. Ready to go back out into the field. This is a nice ice cube. It was just made. See that? Then it just breaks. Little small pieces.